Weather. We all always experience atmospheric conditions prevailing at a place and at a given time. Yes, we often talk about it, but these conditions are short-lived. This is what we call weather. Okay, now see, you can see some pictures in the screen, students. Okay, here you can see the day is very sunny. Yes, in first picture, the day is very sunny. Am I right? Here. In second one, it is cloudy. Yes. And in third one, it is rainy. Now, at different places, this different weather is there. Okay. Means at the same place also, in morning, the day can be very sunny. Okay. Hot and sunny. But in the afternoon, it can become cloudy. Okay. And as it has become cloudy, in evening there can be rain. Means what? The conditions which are short-lived. These conditions are not for long time. Okay. For month, for 2 months, for 3 months. This is called as weather. What? The conditions which are short-lived, which are for very short time is called weather. Try to understand this. First, try to understand what is weather. Then we will see what is climate, what is temperature, that everything. First, you all just try to understand what is weather. Now, you all are seeing the video. Just go and observe outside how is the weather. It can be sunny also. It can be rainy also. It can be cloudy also. It can be very cold also. Okay. So this remain for short time. Are you all getting it? For example, we say the weather is hot, cool, dry, sluttery, etc. Okay. What can we say? Today the weather is very hot. Oh my God, today the weather is very cool. Oh, today weather is very dry. So this is what the weather is. Are you all getting it? Yes? Okay. Now see, the weather of a particular place depends on, the weather of a particular place depends on the temperature, okay, the moisture in the air, the pressure of air, and the movement of air or wind, okay, or the movement of air or wind. Are you all getting it? See here in this picture, you can see the different type of weather. Here it is clear sky in the morning, okay, cloudy in the evening. Are you all getting? Okay, so here it is bright and sunny, and here it is full of clouds. So this is the different weather which we can observe or which we can see. Okay, so what is this? This is a weather. And what does the weather depend on? Temperature. What is the temperature of that place? Whether it is hot, whether it is cold. Moisture in the air. If the moisture in the air is more, then the weather is humid. Okay, hot and humid. The pressure of air. Okay, what is the pressure of air? Okay, the pressure, high pressure and low pressure. Okay, if the humidity is more. And the movement of air or wind. If the wind is going to, if the speed of the wind, movement of the wind is more or less. On that the weather depends. Okay. Can you tell? Since childhood, you have experienced summers, rainy season and winters. Yes, now you all know what is the summer season, what is the rainy season and what is the winter season. Summer, okay? April, May, June, July. Okay, not June, July, sorry. March, April, May. And from June it is rainy season. Yes, then June, July, August, September, okay, and October, rainy. Till there it is rainy. And then November, December, January, February, it is winter. So this is what the cycle we have seen since our childhood. Am I right? Summer, rainy, winter. On the basis of your experience, answer the following question. In which months do summer, the rainy season and winter occur in a year from January to December? Show it in a chart. Now this answer I told you first only. Yes, before only I gave you the answer. Now you can just show this summer, rainy and winter on the chart. Okay, basically March, April, May, June is summer season. From June, mid rainy season starts. June, July, August, September. Okay, and October, November, December, January, Feb. Okay, it is winter. So these are the basically season from January to December. Yes, am I right? Have you experienced this? Okay. Which special clothes do we use if it is raining? Can you tell me the answer? Which special clothes do we use if it is raining? Very good. We use raincoat. What do we use? Raincoat, umbrellas, yes, gumboots. These all are the jerkins, jackets when it is raining. Am I right? When do we use woolen clothes? Woolen clothes, sweater, muffler, caps. Okay, this all. Sweatshirts. When do we use the woolen clothes? Can you tell me, class? Yes, students. When do we use woolen clothes? Very good. We use woolen clothes in winter to feel warm. Yes, to feel warm and hot. We wear woolen clothes. In which season do we mainly use the cotton clothes? Oh, it is very hot. Okay, so it's when it is hot, what do we wear? In summer season, we mainly use cotton clothes. Okay, white color, cotton, light clothes. Am I right? Okay. Here you can see the particular season, particular crops are grown, particular food are eaten, the temperature in the particular region is different in particular month. Are you all getting it? And this is the season we can see, or climate we can see. Are you all getting it? Yes, means in particular seasons only rice is grown, wheat is grown, okay, and in particular region and in particular area. Clear? So here you can see the climate of a place depends on the temperature. Depends, here the temperature is low, okay, and sunny. Here the temperature is very high. Here the temperature is humid, cloud, rain. Can you see? Here the temperature is very low. Yes, class? Are you all getting it? So as the climate changes, okay, now we have done with the weather. We will see what is climate. As the climate changes, the way of living of the people, the way of houses of the people changes. Yes, the way of the trees grown in that region, not way, the different trees grown in that region, the way of living of the people, the way of wearing the clothes changes according to the climate. Means what? Means what? See, now here, these are hut. Where can you see this type of hut? In which region? Okay, here it is ice. We can say igloos. Where can you see this? Here the snow is falling. Where can you see this? So this is the climate of the particular region. Which types of animals are found in the particular region? According to the climate. It depends according to the climate. What type of clothes do people wear? If the people are living in Konkan area, what do they wear? If the people are living where it is snowfall, what do they wear? What do they wear? They wear the big coats, okay, and their body is fully covered. Okay, so this is difference between the climate. Are you all getting it? I hope you all are getting it. I hope you all are understanding it, class. Yes, so according to the climate of that region, okay, everything changes. Clear?